Hi everyone, if you are not interested in seeing Roxi's brand new cat eye gel polishes that have just been launched, you can stop watching this video. But if you want to carry on watching, please excuse me because I've got a lot of nervous energy today. I'm very excited. I've just got back from Roxi where I have picked up these brand new cat eye gel polishes and I cannot wait to show them to you. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shades, and these are some of the nail art effects that I've been able to create using them. And I just think they are absolutely stunning. And what's made it so easy is the brand new cat eye magnet pen. Have you ever seen a magnet like that? It is unreal. I just want to compare it to the existing magnet that I've been using. So this is the one that I've been using and I was so impressed with this because, you know, it's got all the bits on it. It's a multi-tool, it's very fancy. It's got the flower beads, you know, it's got the long liner and the circle. It did have another little bit on it which was supposed to make a love art, but it just felt big and bulky. The cat eye just did not move where I wanted to move. I've had a go with this pen and I'm just going to show you and let it speak for itself because you could literally write your name with it. It's that precise. So let's start with, here's one I prepared earlier. I've got a black base and I'm going to show you how I created this stunning bow using my cat eye. So I'm going to start by outlining with my Tech Gel Colour Crystal Ball, which is an absolute stunning gold. If you haven't seen that yet, it's a staple ingredient for the festive season. And I'm just going to draw out the outline of my bow using my Roxi medium liner. I'm going to show you my Roxi nail art brushes actually because these make my life so much easier when I'm doing any kind of with gel paint or gel polishes. So these are my brushes. I've got my short, medium and long. This one just gets used all the time, but these are fantastic for detail. This is amazing for getting those perfect straight crisp lines on a deep French. This is my ombre brush, my round gel brush, one stroke brush and my flat gel brush, and then I've got my different size dotting tools. So if you do a lot of gel art, these are the ones. So I'll just keep my brushes clean by using a little bit of cleanse. You can just see how tiny and precise that brush is, can't you? So I'll start with my outline. Start with a dot in the middle, then I'm going to go up to the right side and create like an eye shape for the loop of the bow. That's one side done. I'll then do the other side. I'm doing my eye shape upside down this time on the bottom edge. And then I'll just create my ribbons. These are amazing to paint with. If you haven't tried the NSI Tech Gels yet, I highly recommend. They're extremely pigmented and they don't run. So if you've been doing nail art with gel polishes, you'll know that the pigment just isn't as strong and the colour often runs. these just go wherever you put them. You can create the lines as thin or as thick as you like, and it'll just stay exactly where it's put. There we go, and I'll just finish with a bigger blob in the middle for the centre of my bow. I'm then going to cure that under my lamp for 60 seconds. Then I will clean off my detail brush with a bit of cleanse. The shade that I'm going to use to paint my bow is Nova. I absolutely love the names of these. So we've got Nova, Nebula, Aurora, Luna, Orion, and Celestial. So we've got Nebula, which is our gold, which is that the rose gold? Let's have a little look. Which ones? Oh, yeah. So Nebula is very metallic-y gold. Like a cooler gold rather than a warm gold. And Celestial is like this beautiful rose gold. Stunning shades. We've got Orion, which is this deep midnight sky blue colour. Very rich. We have Luna, which is, well, Luna means moon, doesn't it? So it's like a silver moon. Absolutely beautiful. We've got Aurora, which is like a very deep, rich emerald green. These are so pigmented. And then we've got Nova, which is the luxurious red, which has some lovely like shades of pink in there as well. So I'm going to just place a bit of that on my palette. And using my medium liner, I'm going to paint my bow. So I'm going to paint one section at a time. And then I'm taking my magnet, and I can literally move the cat eye wherever I want. If I point it in the middle, so I'm thinking about where I want the shadows in my bow. So if I want it to look shadowed at the centre of the bow, then I'll just go in there. I can leave it nice and light in the middle and then shade the edge. And this pen makes it so easy. Like I was saying, the magnet I used before, if I was to put that over the cat eye, it would just move all the colour. You know what happens when the metallic elements just disappear into it, and then it just doesn't look reflective anymore. So this helps you to just keep the shadow in the right part, so can shade it nicely on the edges, keep it nice and light in the middle. It's just absolutely amazing. And I'll just do one section at a time, and I'll just flash cure that for 5 seconds, and then at the end I'll completely cure it for a full minute. It's really annoying that the camera isn't picking up how stunning this is in real life. It's so annoying when it does that. But you can see now how I can make it really nice and dark and shaded in the middle, around the edges, keep it nice and light, so it really does give that 3D effect. It's stunning. Just a 5-second flash cure. Oh my gosh. Have you seen that? It's so beautiful. Have you ever seen a magnet like that? This is incredible. It's an absolute game changer. I feel like I could actually write my name with it. It's that precise. I've never ever had that much control over cat eye with magnets that I've used before. It's absolutely spectacular. Let's finish off that final ribbon. And then again, just using my Roxi magnet to the centre where I want the deep shading and the edges. Just going to do a little bit on the sides and leave all that gorgeous reflective light in the middle. I'm just obsessed with these bows. So I don't care what my clients say during this festive period, because they are all getting cat eye bows, whether they like it or not. I might let them choose the colour, but that is as far as their options are going. So if you want to know where you can buy these cat eyes from, they are available on the NSI website, nsinails.co.uk or roxi.co.uk. I'll then finish off my nail design with the most amazing top coat ever, which is the Roxi non-wipe top coat. And these are incredible because they're all Hema and TPO free. So if you really want to future-proof yourself with the cat eyes and your gel polishes, these are the ones. Not to mention, made in the UK and just absolutely stunning bottles. Look at those. In one of my favourite colours. Oh, that is so, so beautiful. Just go and get yours now. Just go and get it.